Servant or spy? Over dinner, President Davis talked about his war plans with other military leaders. A servant named Mary Bowser listened closely. Later, Davis studied top-secret papers at his desk. When Mary dusted the desk, she carefully memorized these papers. It was the 1860s. America was fighting the Civil War, and Mary Bowser was spying on the President of the Confederate States. Mary grew up in the South. For many years, she was a slave. A woman named Elizabeth, who was the daughter of Mary's owner, freed Mary. Elizabeth also sent Mary to school. Few African Americans living in the South at that time were so lucky. Most were still slaves. Mary wanted to help these people. All of the Confederate States permitted slavery. Mary became a spy for the Union Army, which was fighting against the Confederate Army. By working in President Davis's home, Mary could listen to secret conversations about the Confederate Army. She could memorize secret plans and maps. Mary fooled President Davis by acting unintelligent. In truth, Mary was smart and had a great memory. The information she gathered was very helpful to the Union Army. Few people knew about Mary's important work until many years after she died. In 1995, the U.S. Army honored Mary for helping the Union win the war.